Did I leave too soon? Did I miss your fall? Should I hold the blame or feel nothing at all? I felt the shift before the night turned cold. Still I walked away, let the story fold. I took what I could from the stars above, wrapped your name in a reckless love. It may be over, but it don't feel gone. I'm still right here holding on. You moved my heart, you changed my way, turned my darkness into something that stayed. Love ran blind, I knew it then. Still I gave you everything I had within. I traced your skin, I learned your breath, felt your silence and your unrest. I knew your smile, I knew your fears. Now they echo through the years. Farewell my only, farewell my flame. You were the fire running through my veins. Farewell my only, farewell my truth. You were the reason I believed in you. I'm still dreaming, I still rise with your shadow in my skies. If you leave, don't lose my name. What we had still burns the same. I saw your tears, I felt your grace, held your nights in my embrace. I would have stayed through every scar, walked beside you where you are. I know your storms, you know my scars. We survived just being who we are. And I loved you, that stays true. Breathing fades when I lose you. Farewell my only, farewell my flame. You were the fire that I couldn't tame. Farewell my only, farewell my truth. You were the center of everything I knew. I still feel you in the dreams I keep, still say your name before I sleep. One day I'll lay this heart to rest when silence answers what's left. I'm so empty, so empty, so hollow. My heart keeps calling, but there's no tomorrow. I didn't throw it away. There's a box under my bed I never moved, full of things that still belong to you. Ticket stubs and a broken chain, and a letter I can't explain. There's a shirt that still smells like your skin. I don't wear it, I just somehow it might bring you close, like I don't already know. It's not the big things I can't replace, it's the little pieces you left in place. I keep what's left of you in corners I can't undo, and every quiet thing I never knew I'd lose. I keep what's left of you in shadows I still move through, like letting go is something I don't know how to do. There's a voice note I still replay just to hear you say my name, and every time I reach start it all again. Maybe love don't leave, it stays behind, in the things we touch, in the things we hide, in every space we never clear, and everything that's still right here. I keep what's left of you in everything I do, in every breath that still feels tied to you. Keep what's left of you, and maybe that's the truth. Some things don't fade, they just break through. I didn't throw it away, I just couldn't. Did I turn away when you needed more? Did I close my eyes at a silent war? I felt the weight before it came undone. Still I let it fade, still I chose.